Hello students, myself Sharmila, your maths teacher. In competitive exam, one of the most important chapter of reasoning aptitude test is cubes and dice. These reasoning questions can be solved very easily and quickly using shortcut tricks. Here, I am going to show you some of such shortcut tricks. Before we start, let us understand what is a dice. A dice is a cube having 6 square faces or sides. It has 1 to 6 numbers or 1 to 6 dots or A to F alphabets on different faces. Only 3 sides of a dice are visible at a time, and these sides are never on the opposite sides of each other. There are generally 2 types of dice, base dice and open dice. Base dice are further divided as standard dice and ordinary dice. Standard dice is a regular cube with its 6 sides numbered from 1 to 6 with all opposing sides adding up to 7. Thus, 1 is always opposite to 6, 2 opposite to 5 and 3 opposite to 4. When the dice are rolled, if the number on the faces of the 2 dice do not match each other, they are called as standard dice. And if one or more than one number matches between 2 dice, then they are called an ordinary dice. Tricks to solve questions based on ordinary dice. Rule 1. If 2 numbers are same in both the dice, then the remaining 2 numbers are opposite to each other. For example, in the following 2 dice, number 3 and 5 are common, so face with number 1 and 2 are opposite to each other. So here 3 is the common number, 5 is the common number, therefore 1 and 2 are opposite to each other. Rule 2. If one number is same on both the dice and is at the same position, then start writing numbers from the common number in clockwise sequence for both the dice as shown below. Here, number 4 is common. So when we start counting numbers in a clockwise direction, after 4 comes 2 and then 6. So let us write numbers in a sequence as 4, 2 and 6. In a second die, numbers in the sequence are 4, 3 and 5. So let us write down below the previous number 4, 3 and 5. Then cut the common digit and write the missing one. So here 1 is the missing, so we have written 1. Thus, faces opposite to each other are 4 opposite to 1, 2 opposite to 3 and 6 opposite to 5. If one number is same in both the dice, but the position is different, then also same rule. Start writing numbers from the common number in clockwise sequence for both the dice as shown below. Here common number is 5. So number in the clockwise directions are 5, 2, 3 in the first dice. So let's just write 5, 2 and 3 in a sequence. And in the second dice 5, 6 and 4. So let us write 5, 6 and 4 in a sequence. 5 is the common, so cut the 5 and write the missing digit 1. Hence, faces opposite to each other are 5 opposite to 1, 2 opposite to 6 and 3 opposite to 4. Now, let us solve few questions. The following cube is a standard dice. Which number will come on the opposite surface of the surface with number 3? Options are 4, 1 or 5. When the dice is standard, then the sum of the numbers on the opposite sides is always 7. So 7 minus 3 equals to 4. So the number opposite to 3 must be 4. Hence, option A is the correct option. If in the below figures the total value of the opposite faces is always 7, then which figure is the correct one? figures 1, 3 and 4, there are two such numbers that when added gives value 7. Here 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 3 7, 5 plus 2 7. Therefore, the remaining numbers cannot be arranged in any way which can make the opposite total 7. Hence, the answer is figure 2. So, option B is the correct option. A dice with 6 faces is marked with 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 respectively. These dice is rolled 3 times and 3 positions are shown as below. Find the number opposite to 1. If such question is there, then first choose any 2 dice with one common number on it. Then start writing numbers from a common number in the clockwise sequence for both the dice. Here common number is 3 and the numbers in the sequence are 3, 2 and 1. So let us write 3, 2, 1 in a sequence, and in the second dice numbers in the clockwise directions are 3, 4 and 5. So let us write 3, 4 and 5. 3 is the common digit, so cut the 3 and write the missing number, which is 6. Thus, the number opposite to 1 is 5, hence option C is the correct option. Two positions of a dice are shown below as 1 and 2. When 4 is at the top, what number will be at the bottom? Here, two numbers 1 and 5 are common in both the dice shown. So, remaining two numbers are opposite to each other. So here 5 is common, 1 is common, so rule 1 applies over here. And therefore, number 2 and 4 are opposite to each other. Hence, the option D is the correct option. Hope you understood the trick, children. Thank you.